Welcome to MyOffice Mobile. It's a accounting solution that was written 100% in FileMaker Pro database that's offered by Apple. We started selling this solution in 1987, so it's been around for a long time. The new version basically has got modifications so you can use it on iPad. It does run on Windows, Macintosh, iPad, and also it can run on a network, and it can be accessed for multiple platforms. So let's go through a quick demo. The first thing you have is a setup, and this is where you put your company information, sales tax rate, ship to address, and everything comes to a main module where you have lists of customers. So if you click on customers, you can see that we have 2 customers. You can then drill down to that customer to view their information. It has Google Maps, it has history of orders, it has multiple ship tos, and also you can email quotes and invoices to your clients. So let's do a quote to a client. We have 3 products right now. We have a Gizmo widget, we have labor, and a book. Again, if you go and drill down, you can see the details about the product. You have an option to make it taxable and non-taxable. So let's go and do a quote. Right now we have no quotes, so if you hit the new button, you have a drop down of all your clients. Once you select them, it pulls in all the data from that client. Then you can come here and either type, and it'll do a pop-up for Gizmo. Say we're selling 100 of them. The price, let's see, we can make it like $3.45. It shows the line item profit. Also, you can have a total profit for the whole quote, which is $2.49. When you want to email this to your customer, all you do is you click on this little email icon, and what it'll do is it'll launch your email program. In this case, I have Mac Mail. It automatically creates a PDF of the quote. It builds the subject and the body, and you can modify this and then just send it. So once you're ready, you can also just invoice the client. So you can click on invoice. You can post it, which updates inventory, units on hand. You can print out a master copy. And right now it's just created an open invoice. If you go now to your sales reports and you go to sales report here, you put in this month and you can just put date range of 9. It will show you the actual invoice we just created, and it's also got different things like accounts receivable, sales history by client. So accounts receivable is showing you who owes you money. You can print this or just return. And what it does is also tracks within a customer. You can go and see what is the history of orders. You can see what they've ordered in the past. And we have customer payments. We have a checkbook. So say you receive a payment for that customer, you create a new payment. You can see all the open invoices here. You can select and make a partial payment necessary. How do they pay for it? a check, and when you post it, it actually would go to your checkbook. So I won't get into the other modules because we have vendors, we have purchase orders, we have a warehouse log, we've got accounts payable, we've got a to-do list, and the main modules that we worked on today is creating a quote for a client and doing an invoice. And you can also do orders and do partial shipments of orders. You can also, if you do a quote, you'll notice there's no quotes here, but there is historical data. Once a quote has been invoiced or canceled, it doesn't show up on your list, but you can still look it up. All the modules have a similar look and feel, so once you learn how to use one of the modules, the other ones are very simple. I will have additional tutorials on the other modules, but this will just show you basically how MyOffice Mobile works, and it is modifiable, so you can purchase a license agreement to be able to modify it for your business. You can also integrate it with QuickBooks with a plugin. Have a good day, and I will see you